this endless space, I swear.
This wedding will not hold.
Edith.
Yeah?
Edith. I guess you are joking, right?
What kind of joke is this?
I said, this wedding will not hold.
What kind of joke is this?
And who are you to tell my daughter that her wedding will not hold?
Edith, what has come over you?
You want to know who I am?
And who do you think you are?
Who are
I
you?
still stand to say that this wedding will not hold.
You lie! Get behind us, devil!
Wait. Who is this one?
Get behind us, you devil!
What do you mean by this?
Can you imagine rubbish?
What is this?
Get behind me, you devil! Get behind me, you Jezebel! I bind you in the name of Jesus! I bind you in the name of Jesus! The wedding we hold! And you cannot stop it! What are you coming up?
What is it? Madam, it's okay. It's okay.
Do you know who I am?
Who is the pastor here?
I'm the pastor. What is the problem?
This wedding will not hold.
You lie! You lie! And who are you to say that my brother to
Madam.
Pastor, allow me to talk!
It's okay.
Allow me to talk, Pastor!
This is the house of God. We don't
Yes,
have
I know!
to behave.
Who are you?
It's okay.
Hey!
Young lady, why did you say the wedding would not hold?
Desmond and Franca, you either leave with me this moment or...
Everybody gets complained.
God, why me? Why? No.
Give God glory. Make we give God glory. Yeah. Make we give God glory. Give God glory. Make we give God glory. I beg you, make we give God glory. I've been life now step by step. I say life now stage by stage. You go take one step before you go to another. If you want for some, everything go throw away. Maybe if I not talk, you go be like say my own good pass.
Thank you, bad luck. Thank you, devil. I hope you all have a good laugh over my corpse. Thank you for allowing everything come to this. Thank you. I hope you all have a swell time drinking the tears of my twin sister and our poor mother. Congratulations, thank you.
Everybody gets concerned.
Thank you.
Everybody gets complaining, everybody gets concerned. Gets concerned. Make you do your best. Do your best. Won't talk or you gon' notice. Give God glory. Make we give.
Hello, Mommy.
Hey, Franca! My world is collapsing! My world is collapsing, Franca!
Mommy, what is it? Why are you...
Your twin brother, Franca!
Frank? What happened to Frank?
Your twin brother, Frank tried to hang himself! He's trying to hang himself!
No. Tell me you are joking.
How can I be joking with such? Just come down! As I speak to you now, the neighbors are right inside there with him. He's threatening to do it again and again until he's done it.
What? Has he lost his mind?
I don't just know what came over him. I don't know. Listen to me. You please, if you know how to come down, please start coming down. You are the only one that can stop him from doing this. I don't know. If you accept, if you want to lose both of us. If you care for your mother, just come down. Because if anything happens to him, I will kill myself.
Mommy, please don't say that.
Stop talking! I asked you to stop! Stop talking! Calm down, be cool.
Mommy! Hello? Mommy!
I will stand by you, my love. Don't give up. I will fight for you, my love. Don't you quit in the edge of the storm, my love. I'll be there, 'cause you're my everything. You're my everything. Whoa, my everything. You're my everything.
Recently, my customer base started increasing beyond what my little capital could cope with. I went to my goods suppliers and begged for goods on credit, and they gave me the much they could, but that was still not enough. So I came back home begging and pressuring Mom.
Begging and pressuring Mom?
He wanted more money to buy more goods. I had to borrow 200,000 naira for our market meeting. Took the money I saved for our rent here, which will be due next week, and gave him all.
Frank, don't tell me that you were attacked by robbers and they stole everything from you.
Not robbers, Franca. Market fire stole everything. Yes. After using the whole money to stock up my shop with goods, my section of the market was razed by fire a few hours later. And everything went up in flames.
Oh God, have mercy. Why?
And the people who gave me goods on credit have been on my neck since last week. Earlier today, the landlord came to remind Mom and I that the house rent will be due in a matter of days, and that he won't even give us an hour grace, despite all that happened. Franca, it was too much. It was just too much for me.
It was just too much for you, Frank. For God's sake, how is killing yourself the solution? I am so disappointed, Frank. You broke my heart to death like nothing has ever done. Yes, I have seen the ugly side of life before. But you just gave me the worst nightmare. You just...
Mom, please. Please calm down. I understand perfectly. Quiet, Frank. Don't say a word. Come with me outside.
Everybody gets complaining, everybody gets concerned. My brother quits complaining, make you do your best.
Franca,
Damn you, Frank! Damn you!
Franca, you slapped me.
Don't you think you deserve more for being such a wicked coward?
Franca, I can take anything from you, but don't you ever call me a coward.
You are worse than an old, wobbling coward. Shame on you, Frank. Shame on you.
Franca, understand me.
You want me to understand you? Did you understand Mom and I when you were thinking of committing suicide? Have you forgotten this family's story? Have you forgotten that Dad ate okpa Mom bought for him and died of food poisoning? The doctor's explanation that it wasn't a deliberate poisoning. But a biochemical incident was rejected by his family. That woman in there, crying because of you, was accused of killing her own husband. She was tortured, disgraced, driven out of her home with nothing but the clothes she had on. We were just 6 months in her womb when all this happened. She had no relatives, no job. She had nothing when she had us. Only her love for us, and that memories kept her going. Her love for us, Frank. We grew up to witness some of our worst moments. Mom denied herself of everything to see us through school. You even had to drop out of school after her secondary school to enable me to continue. And today, she looked you in the face and said, you have given her her worst nightmare. And you still do not feel like an animal. Frank! Oh God.
Franca.
Don't touch me! I will not listen to anything you have to say until you go in there and apologize to Mom. Until then, I am not even your own sister.
Try it again. Please, Mom, forgive me. Please, Mom, I'm sorry. Please, Mom, forgive me. I'm sorry, Mom. Please.
I won't try it again in my life. Please. Forgive me, Mom. I'm sorry.
Mom, please. Franca, please. I'm sorry. Please, Mom, I'm sorry. Please. Forgive me. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I forgive you, okay? I forgive you. I forgive you. Stop.
Okay, he's even calling me. Hello, Franca. I was about calling you. Where have you been?
I went home this month.
What? You left who we were serving and you told me you were going home to get something important. What happened?
Yes, I didn't even get to the lodge. Something happened in my family, so I just had to go home immediately.
Franca, this is not sounding good. Is your mother and your twin brother, are they okay? Is somebody dead?
No, nobody died. We are all fine. Can I ask you for a favor?
A favor?
Yes.
Okay.
I won't be coming back for the rest of the week.
Why?
It's not something I can tell you on the phone. Maybe when I see you, I'll explain everything to you. But I don't know if it's possible if you just cook up a story to cover me up. Please.
It's okay. Is there any other thing you want me to do for you?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
You're welcome. But try and be careful, okay?
I will. Bye.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Why did you do that? Franco, why? Do you want to kill me?
Mommy, I spoke to him already and he agreed to cover up for me.
Are you sure he will?
Oh yes, he will. Desmond and I are very close. We both cover up for each other when the need arises. That's by the way. Mom, she was saying something.
There is something I have kept from you children all this while. The shop where I carry out my business in the market is mine.
Mom, I don't get. We all know that the business is yours. So how is the shop belonging to you news? And how does it help our current situation?
Frank, I am not talking about the business. I am referring to the shop itself.
Wait, no. Those shops were allocated for 500,000 naira each when they were built. So, how did you get the money for?
I did not pay to get mine. The wife of the then governor paid for some widows in the market. And I was opportune to be one of them.
Mommy, you are joking, right?
I am not joking. In fact, I was coming back from the office of a lawyer friend of mine, where I had gone to retrieve the shop's document, when I met Frank about to I can't just say it. I can't even say it.
Mom, I am sorry.
It's okay. Let's just forget it. You were saying something.
Yes. The documents are here in the file. Chief Barrister Adali promised to help us to get a buyer as soon as possible. If we sell it with other of our possessions, we can at least pay off the debt of 1.8 million that we incurred as a result of the market fire. So, what do you think?
Everybody gets complaining, everybody gets concerned. Gets concerned. Make you do your best, do your best. You gonna notice. Give God glory. Make we give God glory. Yeah. Make we give God glory. Give God glory. I beg you, make we give God glory. I've been the thing, share my life, no get meaning. Until I saw another man. When he own life, he don't finish. In life, he don't finish. I've been the vexer, I know fit to chop. Every single thing I want chop. Until I saw another man where they chop. Food away, another man a chop throw away. Life not step by step, I say life not stage by stage, You go take one step before you go to another.
Can't have that one.
I see this one.
No. We resemble cinema or TV. TV do me.
Yeah. Which eye na take serious?
They ask me. Eh? They ask me. Eh?
What is
this one coming?
What is it? Come out! Come out!
What is it? Stupid people.
Come back. Sit down. What thing going on? No, you are in a green television. You are watching television. Television doom.
Come and watch now.
You children, in this neighborhood, you must learn to mind your business and always keep your mouth shut. You see everything that you see that you talk. Eh? The whole place is full of rascals like them. Do you understand me now?
Mom, I'm scared. I'm very scared. Must it be here? When you know this place is a hostile area, why did you insist we must stay here?
I did not insist. I never insisted. But our current situation insisted and I only followed. Try to understand.
Mom, it's okay. We made it this far not because we are better off, but because we believed, we persevered, and we overcame. That God that has been with us all through is still with us and He's our God. It's okay, Mom.
Yes, Mom. If there's a time for us to give up, then it's not now that you have a graduate in me and a determined son in Frank.
Thank you. Thank you. God Almighty will give us the grace to overcome.
Amen.
And please, do not look for trouble again.
Before they could find out that you were not around the next day, I went to the principal's office to talk to him about you. In less than 10 minutes, I was out of the office with his assurance that you won't be worried.
What did you tell him?
I told him that you have this hereditary condition that once it starts, you must have to stay away from the sun.
God forbid. Me? And he believed you? Come on, is there any disease like that?
None that I know of. I just asked my silly brain to get me something and I came up with that.
Silly brain instead. And he believed you.
If you're medically ignorant like him, would you have believed?
I guess I would. But at least I would have asked the name of the disease or whatever. Just for knowledge's sake.
Anyway, you know, the scientists always made mention of photo, referring to the sun. So I came up with something like photoagilism.
What? What's that?
I mean, sun agibo. When you join it together, you get photoagilism. Something like you take that agibo in that sun and add it to the photo, you get photoagilism.
So let me ask you, who is the ajiboy in your son? I mean, the son in you? What did you call it again?
Anyway, at last I made you laugh since you came back, you know. But on a more serious note, the story you told me about your family travels, you know, is so touching. I wish I could help in more ways than what I suggested earlier.
But do you think there's a possibility in what you suggested?
You know, this guy was my schoolmate when we were in the university. Do you want to talk to him on the phone?
Oh, no. I'd rather see him in person.
Okay, when?
Tomorrow. That's if you arrange it.
Sure. I will.
Thank you. Desmond, seriously, this is not funny. If I tell you I'm comfortable here, then you know that I'm lying to myself and to you. I mean, you told me the man is a banker. So, what in God's name are we doing in a place I don't even know? When we're supposed to be in a banking hall or something.
Franca, come on. What is it? Eh? You and I were on our way to the bank where he called and said he's out to meet with the client. He asked us to wait for him here. Okay? Chill, he will soon be here. What is it?
I'm not just comfortable.
I will stand by you, my love. Don't give up. I will fight for you, my love. Don't you quit in the edge of the storm, my love. I'll be there, 'cause you're my everything. You're my everything. Whoa, whoa, my everything. You're my everything.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting. I'm sorry. Cool, that's my offer.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome. The lady you told me about?
Yeah.
I'll apologize for the meeting venue and for keeping you guys waiting. Very sorry. As a marketer in the bank, my daily itinerary is never certain. Even right now, I have to meet up with someone in 20 minutes time, and it's not even a scheduled meeting like the one I just finished with.
I thank you very much for squeezing up time to come and meet with us.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
This is Franca.
Okay,
my
Franca.
Franca. Sean. And a friend. Like I was saying.
I think I get the basics, I get it. But let's just go straight to business, please. Franca, the truth is that the bank cannot give you the type of loan you seek because yours is not a bankable collateral. I'm sorry. But I could work out something only if you agree to my condition.
What is your condition?
Well, I will take 1 month and give you 6 months out of the 7. That's the deal, total deal.
Yes.
You accept? In that case, you come to the bank by 2 p.m. and send all the requisite papers. And everything you want to be given to you immediately.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Thanks. Next one, you don't call. I'll wait. Please, I'm sorry. All right, Angel. Bye.
Bye.
Nice meeting you.
Take care.
Call.
See, told you.
Thank you, Desmond. Thank you.
It's okay.
What would I have done without you?
It's okay. Life is not until you start living it for others.
Come
on.
Shabby, if I not talk, you could be like say my own a good pass. Everybody gets complaining, everybody gets concerned. My gets concerned. Make you do your best, do your best. Now who talk, you gon' notice. Give God glory. Make we give God glory. Yeah. Make we give God glory. Give God glory. Make we give God glory. I beg you, make we give God glory. I've been the thing, share my life no get meaning until I saw another man. When he own life, he don't finish. In life, he don't finish. I've been the vexer, I know fit to chop. Every single thing I want chop. Until I saw another man where they chop. Food away, another man chop throw away. Life not step by step. I say life not stage by stage. You go take 1 step before you go to another. If you want for some, everything go throw away. if I not talk, you go be like say my own a good pass. You go be like say my own a good pass. Everybody gets concerned. Make you do your best. Make you do your best. Who talk, you go notice. Give God glory. Make we give God glory. Make we give God glory. I beg you, make you give God glory. Give God glory. Make we give God glory. I beg you, make we give God glory. Life will be meaningless until we learn to live for each other. Life will be meaningless until we learn to sacrifice. I be don't see one man away well today, tomorrow he falls so sick, and the very next day it's gone away. If I not talk, you go be like say my own a good pass. You go be like say my own a good pass. Everybody gets concerned. Everybody needs a help. Make you do your best. Make we help ourselves. Now who talk, you go notice. Nobody knows tomorrow. Give God glory. Make we give God glory. Make we give God glory. I beg you, make we give God glory. Give God glory. Make we give God glory. I beg you, make we give God glory.
Hello, Mom.
What?
God forbid. No.
This one.
What? No.
Desmond.
Oh my God, what is this?
Desmond, what is it? What happened?
My world is about to crumble. Everything.
Desmond!
Everything is becoming...
Talk to me, I'm talking to you.
Baby, please, I want you to go back to the bank straight. Meet Sean alone. I am going home right now, okay? I'll see you.
Desmond! What is your problem? Just tell me what's the problem.
I cannot tell you right now. Telling you right now cannot make any change. I will tell you when I come home, okay? Okay, please, just go. Oh, just go.
Desmond!
Just go.
Through this endless space, I swear I'll be strong. Through this endless lives, I swear I will be true. Through the eyes of the storms, my love, I'll see you true. 'Cause you're my everything. You're my everything. Whoa.
Mom, I'm here. Oh, I'm here.
Desmond, I'm dying. I am dying.
Mom, you will not die. Nothing will happen to you, okay? Okay?
Desmond. Yeah.
I'm here, Mom.
Desmond, I'm dying. My drugs are finished. And I'm friends. I've started again. I'm dying.
Mom, I am going to get your drugs for you, okay? I swear.
Please. Sorry. Where will you get money to buy the drugs?
I don't even know where to get money for these drugs. I don't even know how.
I'm crying. You have
have tried. Oh, bless you. I have really tried for you.
Mom, stop this now. Stop this, Mom. Mom.
Yeah, who is backing my gate like that? Who is it?
I beg.
No, she's not going to see you.
Wait.
Can't see you.
I will sit it. Please, wait. Why you to stop me?
You can't see shit.
What is it? Wait. I will smash you.
What's going on here? You expand commodity in my compound? I am not your uncle, you are a slave.
Chief, please, I came to see you, please.
How dare you open my gate? This
Please. Chief, please, you can't call me anything. Call me slave. Call me more than that. I will take it. But please, you have to hear me out. Rico, please.
Oh, please. You are here standing? You look at him?
Uncle, please.
What are you looking for?
Please, you have to.
Is that what you have there?
Please, Uncle.
Hit him out!
Please, Uncle, please. Uncle, please. Uncle, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Stop.
Outside it.
Now, tell me, are you now ready to sign it?
No, I will never sign it. Allow me to go and take care of my sick mother. My mother is dying at home. I will never sign it. Never.
Not until you sign it. This undertaking. Let's continue.
I'm sorry.
I'll sign it.
Tell me, are you now ready to sign it?
Yes. I am ready to sign it. Is it enough for me to stop going to Chief's house?
Yes.
I will sign it. Please let me go now and take care of my sick mother.
Not yet.
What do you mean, officer? What do you mean?
We have definite instruction to keep and detain you here for the next 3 days so that you learn how to respect elders.
Upon all I've told you that my mother is sick at home. You're still saying all this. Let me go. I've signed it already.
We are doing our job, but we don't care about your so-called mother.
I'm serious, Mom. I'm actually coming from the bank where I went to sign those papers. And the man gave me the money as promised. Mom, you remember what I told you and Frank before I left? I would do anything possible to make sure you both are happy. As long as it doesn't require committing crimes and sleeping with men for money. Definitely I can't. Don't worry, Mom, I'll survive. In fact, I'm coming back tomorrow with the money. I'm sure it will be enough for you to restart some parts of your business. Mommy, let me call you back. Let me just pick this call. Hello? Oh yes, this is Franca Hdime. Desmond? Police station? Yes, I'm listening.
Desmond.
No.
You are back.
No.
Desmond, what happened to you? Eh? I thought you told Franca that you were going to Port Harcourt to write your pre-scheduled aptitude test 2 days ago. Is this an auto accident?
Mom, Chief Khan.
Chief Khan did this to you?
Yes, Mom. He called the police to arrest me, detain and torture me. Just because I want to ask him for money to buy your drugs.
How dare you, Khan? How dare you? That swine has crossed my red line with this. Enough! He either killed me today or else, or I swear with my blood, I will end his miserable life for him. Oh, Desmond, leave me. Desmond, leave me. Desmond, please. Oh, God. Hey!
His father gave him everything in his will. The same Chief Khan who rejected it and influenced his kingsmen to do the same. Mother and son were driven out of their home, disinherited. They were so helpless that they couldn't afford 20,000 naira to buy medicine for his mother to control her health crisis. I was coming back after going to pick the loan. Then I got a call from a policewoman that Desmond begged to call me. That poor woman would have died if not for the money I gave them.
Franca, you mean you gave them all?
Look, I have 30,000 naira left out of 100.
But how? I thought you said the money needed for the drugs to save her was 20,000 naira.
The doctor said her sickness was so serious that if she doesn't take the medicine in 1 week, it could repeat itself again. I had no choice. Then I gave the doctor 50,000 naira instead of 20.
Why?
Because that's the money for her medicine for the next 3 months. Then when I got to their house, her kitchen was empty. I had to use 10,000 naira to restock the kitchen. Then I gave her 10,000 naira cash. I'm sorry, Frank. The situation was so serious that I couldn't have done otherwise. I'm sorry, Mom.
I don't know the woman and her son, but the story you've just told me touched me deeply. In my opinion, we should be even helping them the more.
How do you mean,
Mom? Take this money. Take the money in your hand and give to her. Tell her Frank and I gave it to them as a token of our own help. Oh?
Are you serious?
That we will always remember them in our prayers.
Are you serious, Mom? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Frank.
So go and give them, oh?
If I not talk, you will be like my own good pass. Everybody gets complaining, everybody gets concerned. My brother, concerned. Make you do your best, do your best.
Franca, where did you get this money from? Franca, where did you get this money from, Franca? Hey, Franca.
How much is this?
500,000.
500,000 naira.
Franca. Franca.
Mom, please calm down. It's not what you're thinking. Look, where I was serving, I recently helped the wife of the local government chairman to organize a seminar where I taught widows and other poor women to make and sell zobo and kunu. So she called me yesterday and gave me this as a reward.
She gave you this money? Yes. 500,000. 500,000. Franca, God will bless you. Hey!
Oh God, why did you go through the risk of bringing this money home?
Because it's for you, Frank. Mom. You didn't start your business. Hey. That's why I brought it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey! Franca!
Come and hug me too.
Hey!
Hey, sorry, 500,000. Hello, Desmond.
Thank you.
Mama, hey. Mama, why are you using Desmond's phone?
See.
What?
What is it? Franca, what is it?
Poto! Poto, my man! The baddest boy in town. Poto! Poto!
Chief.
I just got the information that all the hospitals Julia took the bastard to saw no surviving chance in his case. The only one that accepted to admit him insisted on 100,000 naira deposit before they could commence treatment. And the childless fool that my brother married as a wife said she could not even rake up 10,000 naira. And I made sure that none of the people she ran to for assistance gave her anything. You saw how I lifted her over my shoulder and threw her out of the gate when she missed her way and came here asking me for money. As it is now, as things stands now, Juliet has taken Desmond to the house, waiting for him to die.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's cheer for another successful, well-planned, well-executed Operation Poto.
Oh yes, Chief. You see, I told you, Chief, that assassination by hit and run tactics is my own area of specialty, Chief. Yes. And the way I hit that guy, he has no chance for his survival. And I can assure you that his death will only be but a matter of time.
I can't wait to see that happen.
Yes.
And once he dies, you will visit Juliet at the dead of the night with lateral injection.
Okay?
Nobody will even suspect the way she died because that idiot has been sick.
No one at all, Chief. I can assure you that no one will.
Desmond, please don't die on me. Desmond, because
Desmond, Desmond, please don't do this. Hey! Wamo! Wamo! Wamo Natimo! Hey! Oh! Desmond, because Desmond, please. Mama, Desmond, please. Hey!
Desmond! Desmond!
Franca, look at what they did to my son. Look at my Desmond.
Mama, please, this is not time for explanations. We need to take Desmond to the hospital. He's dying. He needs medical treatment.
Franca, all the hospital we went to rejected him. The only hospital that accepted him requested for...
Put him on my back. Let's take Desmond to the hospital. Please.
Hospital, Franca. There's nobody in this house.
Mama, just
There's nobody to take him to
Mama, just put Desmond on my back. Let's go. Desmond.
Ikoro.
Warm water.
Ndo.
I can't wait to start drinking cold water.
You heard what the doctor said. That you should avoid taking cold drinks and food. At least for like 4 weeks. He said that because of the internal injuries you sustained when the car hit you. Because,
Frank, when the doctor gave my final bill to be 490,000, you and Frank followed him to his office to negotiate with him. You came back to the board to tell me that everything has been settled, that we could go home. Neither you nor Franca told me what happened before she left for what we were serving. Okay, how long did the doctor say we were going to pay?
The doctor did not even give us much time. He said the money he told us was non-negotiable and we must pay in full. Else, he would not let you go.
Dean, how did he let me go?
We paid the money.
You paid?
Franca convinced Mom and I to sacrifice the money the family raised for me to restart my business, to pay for the hospital bill.
And you agreed? You agreed and paid? After you had spent over 150,000 naira? Because I can remember that Franca paid 100,000 naira initial deposits the doctor demanded before touching you. I do. And other minor expenses. Hell, Frankie, God bless you. God will reward you. You shall see good in your life. Oh, blessing will follow you in the day. At night. Oh?
No pleasure from the arms of justice. No place to hide. No way to run when the light of justice finds you out tonight.
Good day, Chief. Chief, you asked me to see you immediately.
Desmond was discharged from the hospital this morning. What? Not only was he given full assurances by the Israeli doctor that he's going to make it, all his bills has been paid. Over 600,000 naira in all. all paid in cash.
How could this be possible? I mean, who could have paid such a huge bill for him?
The same lousy young lady that paid initial deposit that enabled him get admission 9 days ago.
What? Who is she?
Do I know? My information indicates that she is not alone in playing this spoiler role for me all the while. Her family members are well behind her.
Her family? Is she Desmond's fiancée?
I don't care who or what she is. She has crossed my red line. Goto, I want her and every member of her family to...
You want me to?
Clean slate, Goto. Clean slate. Make sure that no member of her family is still breathing beyond this week. Your fee is 2 million naira. And I'm going to pay you in advance now. Everything in this bag is cash. You have days, not weeks, to execute.
Then consider it done, Chief.
Hello, Chief. I just traced them to their family house. They're no longer staying as about Victor, Chief. Yes, they stay in Owerri. I asked the boy a few blocks away from theirs and he told me there are 3 of them in the family. A girl, a twin brother and their mother. But something is confusing me, Chief. The place they are staying is such a squalor that... Okay. No, that won't be a problem to the operation, Chief. Yeah, in fact, I've already concluded the execution plans to be carried out. Yes, definitely tonight, sir. I was just wondering how can people staying in a place like this will be able to raise 600,000 naira. Okay, Chief. Okay, Chief. Yes, we'll talk about it when I'm done with the operation. Yeah, for now, let me just dump this rickety car and find a nearby hotel to move into. Yes, Chief. And of course to concentrate, as you said. Yes, I need to fine-tune everything, sir. Yes, Chief. Okay, Chief. I'll talk to you later, sir.
You will end up hurting yourself. Oh?
No, it's okay. It's okay. At least they did not succeed.
What if they had succeeded, Desmond? Or did you hear what the officers that just left said? No. Chief Kano sent bloodthirsty killer to deliberately hit you with a car. After all the atrocities he committed since my husband died, he still wanted to kill you and I. He still wanted to kill us.
Stop crying, it's okay.
But isn't children. Look at this family. God. What is the offense of this kind family that he should even think of visiting them with such evil? Since when did helping people become a crime that Kano should even think of sending death to them the way he did? What if they had succeeded? What would happen? What would they know? If not for the young man that alerted the police. Give me Campbell. Where did I go wrong?
God always finds people he uses to save his own life. He knew a day like this would come. And touched me to be feeding, advising and treating the young man I see like my own son since I moved into this neighborhood. What if I had done otherwise? Well, there's always some good in every man or situation. And to me, That's the big lesson in all this.
I can't agree less with you on that. Despite the sufferings my uncle's activities have put my mom and I through in the past few years, right now I'm happy he did all that he did.
Desmond, why would you say such a thing?
Frank, I know what I am saying. I've learned from my sufferings. Most importantly, the situation made me and my mother to meet Franca and your family.
Desmond, do not forget that in life there are always things we learn from one another.
Our house. Hey! Oh, whoa. Hey! Oh, dear. Oh, dear, my mama. Oh, your mama moved more home to go now. Hey! Hey! Oh, where's God before now? Father, I thank you. God, I worship.
Hey!
I give you thanks and adoration. May they be ascribed unto your holy name. Eh? Nah. Anya nata.
Is it the house that is looking to Christ? Cry it out.
Oh, dear member.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my sister. God will bless you for me. God will bless you. Thank you. Look at me. Maybe you might not know what is here. Eh? Son.
Son, you asked for my permission to do this last week. And I told you to wait until we hear the outcome of our case at the Supreme Court. Now that the Apex Court has ruled in our favor, I'm saying go ahead, son. You have my full support. Please.
What a day!
Yes, my dear.
God! What a beautiful day! What a way to come back to the house. What a way to come back to the compound I used to call home. This is the happiest day of my life. Franca, please, make it the happiest day for me. Please marry me. I love you.
You're my air, I'm your breath, you're my brain, I'm your thought. Never gonna love anybody else but you. Yes, it's true, it's so true, I can't go alone. If you leave me, I cannot survive, baby. Baby, I don't wanna think about anybody,
Come here.
An unoccupied house. What are we doing here?
This is Frank and Mama's new house. Furnished, decorated by my mother and I.
Yes.
Chidonga.
Juliet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Chidonga, honestly, it pays to be good. please accept this as a token of our gratitude. The keys to the house and the documents on your name.
Why did you tell me about all this?
Thank you so much.
I asked that you should be kept off the loop. So to surprise Mama and Frank.
Oh. Thank you, Franca.
Me?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Desmond.
It's okay, Mom.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Desmond. What can I say? Other than I love you.
That is what I want to hear, and that's what I want from you.
Oh. What more can I say than the God I serve will never allow you and your mother to see any pain.
Amen.
And anyone that tries to inflict evil on you shall be swallowed by the evil. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Same to you, Mom. Same to you.
Same to this family.
Frank, this is a check. Use the money in there to start any kind of business you want in this city.
And you, Chidogo, you can start anything of your choice with this.
No.
Use
too
this
much.
to start
No,
anything you
please.
can think of.
This is too much.
$1 million for me.
Come on, you want it. Oh.
It's okay.
2 million for me.
You people deserve
you.
more. Thank you once again for all you've done for us. Thank you.
Honestly.
Franca, thank you so much. Thank you.
Baby.
Yep.
How was my performance during the interview?
In fact, if we are not getting married soon, I would have asked you to go and pursue your career in Nollywood or as a newscaster in CNN.
CNN newscaster.
Yeah. Baby, your confidence in front of cameras is so unique, including your beauty. Baby, I can't think of more worthy colleagues to you than Aisha Sise and Zena Asha of CNN.
Oh my God. Now you need to stop flattering me. It's not funny.
I'm not flattering you, baby. I'm not. Your voice is so unique. Your voice is wonderful. In fact, your voice can go for movies or prime time news.
People, stop. Thank you. All the same. And you did very, very well. Like, you were quite superb at the interview.
Oh, really?
Oh, someone's calling.
Who's that?
I don't know, private number. Hello? Oh yes, this is Franca HD. And who am I on to? Edith Johnson! Oh my goodness, Edith, where have you been? You're in town? Like, you're in town? Stranded? Oh, okay, just tell me where you are and my friends and I will come pick you up right now. Okay. Oh yes, I know that it's not that far from where we are. Okay, I'll be there soon. Alright. Wow, Edith! She's in town.
Oh, for real?
Yes, my friend. Baby, please take the next turn. Let's go and pick her, please.
It's okay, it's okay.
Oops, I can't wait to see her.
Oh, through this endless space, strong through these endless lives. I swear I will be true to the eyes of the storm. My love, I'll see you true, 'cause you're my everything. You're my everything. Whoa, you're my everything. Oh. I will stand by you, my love. Don't give up. I will fight for you, my love. Don't you quit in the eyes of the storms, my love. I'll be there, 'cause you're my everything. You're my everything. Whoa, whoa, my everything. You're my everything.
So, Miss Edith, welcome to my house. To our house. That's what I should be saying by now.
It's okay, baby.
I apologize, man.
You will still have to learn how to change from I to we. So no offense. Idiots. Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you. The love between you two is so relaxing to anyone listening to you guys. Or anyone fortunate enough to be company like me.
Fortunate?
Yes. For want of a more befitting word to describe the intense love and mutual respect I have observed between you two since you picked me up. Yes, dear. Congratulations, my darling. What a paradise of a home. And what a prince charming you have over there.
Oh, you can say that again. Thank you, idiots.
You're welcome.
I know you guys have a lot of catch up to do. So why don't you take her to the guest room and take your time in the whole water and do some talking.
Okay. Come with us.
Okay.
Okay.
You're my everything.
Yeah, Judith. Wow. This is your room. This is beautiful. Thank you. You're welcome. 1 second.
I love you. I need you. Oh, more than words can say. And I wish we burn together. Never letting anybody put us asunder.
Always the thoughtful Franca. Thank you.
You're welcome. You know, I was in JSS2 and you were in SS2 when our school mother asked me to go to the senior quarters to sleep because I developed fever and I threw up.
Yes. Our school mother. The good and kind Auntie Kate. I mean, who would have thought that she would be no more today? Who would have thought that she would die in an auto crash a few weeks after that night?
May her soul rest in peace.
Amen.
I still see her in my dreams.
Me too. The shock of her sudden death was so much on me. She was like a blood sister to me. I mean to us.
Yes, she was. You were saying something to Desmond and I about a job interview that brought you to town?
Oh, yes. The company suddenly postponed it to the next 3 days after we had all arrived. You know, I was even thinking of how to handle my travel expenses back to Uyo before I saw you and your man on TV. And now, here I am, in a house I have only entered in my dreams. Thank you very much, Franca. May God bless you for me.
Amen. And you're welcome. Anything for your friend I haven't seen in 7 years. I miss you.
I miss you too, and you're looking beautiful.
Thank you. Come on, drink up.
Thank you. Oh, aren't you looking so gorgeous? My goodness, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
And you look good too.
And it's Desmond and I, we have a meeting with our wedding planner. So in case you want anything, the kitchen is open.
Do you mean you're leaving your kitchen open for me?
What's the big deal? Come on, I don't know about you, but to me, you're more of a sister than a friend.
What more can I say? Other than an angel will always be an angel.
Yeah, she's the best kind of angel. I can't agree less with you on that. Anyway, what are we going to get for you when we're coming back?
Yes. No, it's okay. I'm fine. I'm very fine. You don't need to bother.
Okay.
Johnny messes good luck.
It's okay.
Bye.
Come on. See ya.
Be good, darling.
Never letting anything go touch your past. You're my air, I'm your breath. You're my brain, I'm your thought. Never gonna love anybody else but you. Yes, it's true, it's so true. I can't go alone. Believe me, I cannot survive, baby. Baby, I don't wanna think about anybody else. Oh, baby. Through these endless streets, I swear I'll be there. Through these endless space.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Hi.
Derek.
Flesh and blood. Are you shocked to see me?
How did you find me? When did you get back to Nigeria? When did you leave Malaysia and what?
Too many questions. Well, let's start from the last one. I left Malaysia 3 days ago. And the second question, I came into Nigeria to see you. First is that I use the same means I use in getting myself into your life and to corner someone's wealth to find you.
What did you just say?
You heard me very well. I use you to lay my hands on Samuel's wealth.
sweetheart. You are the gate? No, I haven't done it. Oh, okay, just give me 5 minutes. Thank you. And I love you too. Okay, bye. How do you like the new nightwear I ordered online today?
You're radiating in a pure beauty like the Mona Lisa. Come.
I mean, I can't stop loving you with all my soul.
God bless the day I met you, baby.
Same here. And what is he watching?
Oh, it's primetime news. Do you want to watch it, or you want me to change to that channel that shows your favorite TV series?
No, it's okay. Go on with your news. I'll watch my movies later. I just need to update my Facebook. I haven't done that since morning.
Oh, that would be nice. Where's your phone? Your phone?
Oh, funny enough, I forgot it in the room. My love, I'm so tired. Can you help me get it?
Sure.
Please.
Anything for my beautiful wife.
Thank you.
Just a moment.
Alright, thank you. Don't keep too long. Honey, what's keeping you?
Coming.
Oh. You're such a darling. Thank you so much.
So,
oh, you sent this to me? I'll allow you to leave. I'll drop it there. Okay. Okay, you take off your shirt.
Oh my goodness! Derek! You? With my own wife in my house? Edith! With my best friend?
I can explain. Please, calm down.
How dare you! Get out of here! You dare!
Why do you have to hit him on such dangerous part of the body? Why with such force? If stopping him from strangling me to death was what you wanted, you could have pushed him away. Or maybe neutralized him some of the way.
God damn it, Derek! There was no other way than what I did. Yes, to me, there was no other way.
You intentionally killed him? Edith. Are you telling me that what happened in there was a murder and not a manslaughter as I thought?
Derek, I was an abandoned child, picked and raised in an orphanage. That man I just killed gave me life when I had none. He was my all until you happened last month, Derek. And no, I killed him. I killed him, Derek. I killed him. I killed him.
Calm down, okay? I'll take it up from here. Please, just stay back. Stay back and wait for my call. And once you get my call, do as we discuss. Understood?
I will. Are you sure this will work?
The only thing that will make it fail is if you don't get hold of your emotions and act normal. Okay? Just wait for my call. As soon as you hear the call, do this one is
I'll try. He's still not speaking?
No. 8 times, I'm all rang and picked.
I have called him over 30 times and he is yet to take my calls. What is going on? Could it be that my husband has been kidnapped?
Oh, calm down, Edith. Just pull yourself together. See, no kidnapper will leave his victim's cell phone on. I think there is a better explanation to this.
An explanation? By that you mean that my husband is dead?
Edith!
I'm sorry, Brother Paul. I'm just getting paranoia. Maybe I should get myself together like you advised.
Better.
Brother Paul, I want to apologize for mentioning Samuel and death. You have to understand my hysteria. I mean, this is the first time my husband is staying out this late without me knowing his whereabouts.
I understand. So, what was it you were telling me on the phone about your last conversation with him?
He called me at about 6:30 p.m. and said he was done at the office and was heading home. As usual, he told me what he wanted to eat. I was in the kitchen preparing the food and didn't even realize that time had gone that far. And when it was past 8:30 p.m., I tried to call him. He still didn't pick up. But Samuel, my husband doesn't miss my call without returning them. I got afraid and then called you over the phone. This is past 10 and my husband is still not back. My God. Oh, should we call the police?
Oh, no. Calm down, Edith. It hasn't gotten to that. See, as far as I'm concerned, Samuel is okay. Maybe there is a mix-up somewhere in town he got himself involved with.
A mix-up? What manner of mix-up is that?
Just calm down, Edith, okay? Let me just go in search of him, okay? Don't worry, I'll bring him home. You just go inside.
No. I'll go with you, please.
Edith, Samuel is my brother.
And I am his wife. Don't you get it? Please, let me just go with you. Please.
Okay, just change into something else.
Okay, let me just get changed.
Please be fast about it.
I understand all that, Brother Paul. But I insist on giving Samuel a befitting burial. Yes, I know I am 2 months pregnant. See, Brother Paul, I spoke with Samuel's account officers in the bank he banks with, And they promised to complete the process for me to gain access to his account as his next of kin. Yes. Brother Paul, someone has over 12 million naira in those accounts. And that is more than enough to give him a millionaire's burial, and I insist that he gets it. I know, I'm sorry if I'm sounding as if I have the final say. You know your brother. He was a prudent investor and a manager of resources. His investments are such that even if we spend the whole money giving him a befitting burial, his child and I will have over 40 million naira worth of assets to depend on. Of course you know your brother, you know his assets and investments. No, there is nothing that... Yes, I'm here, Brother Paul, I can hear you. Okay, you know what, Brother Paul? I will come to the house this weekend so we could discuss everything and have a final decision on it. Yes, we don't need any further delay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Baby!
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Baby, our Malaysian visas are up.
OMG.
And here are some money to keep handy.
My
in case
God.
We're leaving for Malaysia tonight.
Tonight?
Yes, tonight.
Why? And why don't we stay until next weekend, at least to pay Samuel his last respect?
Hello. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that we have sold everything Samuel had, including this house and his cars? Have you also forgotten that we've withdrawn every single kobo in his bank account? Do you want to reach somebody somewhere saying or doing something that will alert his family about what we did? Respectful widow, if that happens, be sure to spend the rest of your life in prison and not in Malaysia as my wife. Is that what you want?
God forbid.
Good.
But God, people will curse and everything that...
Come on, honey. People will always talk and curse. But it doesn't matter. You know what? Let's go in and have a quickie to celebrate our success.
No. No quickie. I want you to dig deep and melt into me like you've never done before.
You can say that. When I was released from South African prison, deported to Nigeria 7 months ago, I came to you on the help of a friend in Malaysia who is also your own client. And as I requested back then, you gave me a charm I used in smuggling myself into the heart of my best friend's wife. And from there, you also manipulated them in a way that she killed him. And we successfully covered it up. Also with your help, I easily got her to agree to liquidate all my friend had and elope with me to Malaysia. she trusted me with all the money we got from the deal. And as promised, I am here to give you your own part of this money. And this is it. And this is the second one. And there's a third one. And this is the fourth one. And this is the fifth one. This is 50,000 US dollars.
Egigwe. Obochiwa delivers whatever he promises clients, and long shall live those of them who keep to their own part of the bargain. Good luck in Malaysia.
Thank you, Obochiwa. Thank you very much. Please watch my back spiritually. And this will come from time to time.
I like that. Consider it a done deal.
My friend was right. You are indeed a millennium dibia. Follow come. That's it. Na DVD, they play the show. It's your botchu. Ida cow ko jinoko.
Mbane.
Ida kuya cha cha cha. You see, if only you know how to press the work of Yahoo. I mean, in the American, they will come. American Central Bank will come. When they go looking like, we go looking at dollar. You cannot be found easily anywhere in the world. Everything you did from the day we started sleeping with each other was spiritually engineered by me. With the help of Obuchua. But what you do not understand is that 2 weeks after our arrival in Malaysia, some Nigerian powerful drug cartel members took all the money we arrived there with, promising to help me join the lucrative drug trade. They said such was a test to every intending member that wants to become one of them. If the person does not want to be a drug courier for them for 6 months. I was afraid of the dangers of ingesting cocaine. So I chose the option of paying my way in to become one of them. If the person passes the test, then he will be engaged in a blood ritual, and after which he becomes a full member of the cartel.
Blood ritual?
Yes, blood ritual. The person will be the one to provide the victim if he agrees. I just made up my mind to use you, only to come back and find out you were missing. I was later informed you were arrested by immigration officials when you went to shop in a nearby supermarket.
Same immigration officials you sent after me in the first place.
No. It was a mere coincidence that ended my Malaysia dream. 2 days ago, I was in Obuchua's shrine. When we saw you arrive at this house, I decided there's no better person to start up my life all over again with, except you.
Me? Me again, Derek? After the confession you just made? How dare you?
Wait. I am sorry. am sorry. I traced you down here because I want you and I...
You and I to do what? You want you and I to do what, you swine? I mean, what am I even doing talking to an animal like you? I should be calling the police.
Oh, you would do no such thing. Because if you do that, we'll be crucified.
I don't care. I don't care. We deserve to be roasted alive, don't we?
Don't do.
Just let me have my phone. Man said that this man told him that I am his long-term friend and I invited him over. I do not doubt him. But believe me, this animal, this ghost carcass lied to him. I have never met this man before. I didn't even place a call to him. This is my phone. Check it. Check my call log and confirm it yourself. I don't know what his mission here was or how he got to know where I am or my name. The only thing I know is the moment I opened the door, he forced his way in, demanding that I take him into your bedroom. I refused, wanting to know why first. And then he immediately pounced on me and knocked me unconscious. I only woke up later to find him strangling Franca and you unconscious on the floor. Hitting him the way I did was a spontaneous reaction. I'm not a murderer.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. You don't have to apologize, okay? You did what you had to do to save your friend's life. And mine too. Okay? Franca and I are not blaming you at all.
Yes, I did. We are rather grateful. You did what you did in self-defense. So that's what we'll tell the police.
The police?
Oh yes. We have a dead body in our house. The police have to be involved.
Oh, please, wait. We cannot take such risk now.
Risk?
Yes, sir. Few weeks to your wedding. We don't need such story getting to the kind of police we have in this country. Can you afford the negative consequences of the press sensationalizing this story?
So what do you suggest we do?
That's we dispose the corpse secretly.
Cover up? It's a crime.
Yes.
No. I am not going to get involved in such thing.
No. Listen, you don't have to take the risk. I will take care of everything.
You?
Yes. I would do anything to clear up this mess and save all of us from a dirty scandal.
I've sent the gate man away. Now we're going to take the corpse to the car you're going to use to dispose it. Okay? Edith, you have to be very careful. Because if anything happens...
Listen. Nothing will go wrong. Just call the police team that mounts roadblock on the road leading to where I will dispose the corpse. Once they leave, I will go and do it.
Idiots. We're believing in you. If anything happens, then it's in your hands. Desmond will make the call to divert the police. Then make sure you do everything as planned. Please, I don't want any harassment from the press or police. I also do not want anything to affect our wedding plans. Please, we are relying on you to save us. Please.
Yes, please. This wedding means the whole world to us. Okay? Please, don't let what happened today to disrupt you in any way. Okay? Like I promised earlier, I am going to pay you 2 million if you handle this properly.
It's okay, sir. Remember, I'm helping myself as well. If not that you and Franca are insisting, I wouldn't even collect the money.
I know. And that's why we're saying thank you. Desmond and I will be going to the airport to pick his mother returning from medical treatments to the USA. Please be safe.
I will. I need to go.
Not so fast, my dear.
Who are you?
Derek's partner in crime.
You are Obochiwa.
The Dibia.
So you are the cursed...
Mind your language, woman. Close the trunk and let's talk in the car. Close it down or I will strike you dead. Move. Move. Move.
I swear.
This wedding will not hold.
Edith.
Edith, I guess you are joking, right?
What kind of joke is this?
I said, this wedding will not hold.
What kind of joke is this?
And who are you to tell my daughter that her wedding will not hold?
Edith, what has come over you?
You want to know who I am?
And who do you think you are?
Who are
I
you?
still stand to say that this wedding will not hold.
You lie! Get behind us, devil!
Wait. Who be this one?
Get behind us, you devil!
What do you mean by this?
Can you imagine rubbish?
What is this?
Get behind me, you devil! Get behind me, you Jezebel! I bind you in the name of Jesus! I bind you in the name of Jesus! The wedding we hold! And you cannot stop it! What are you talking about?
What is it? Madam, it's okay. It's okay.
Do you know who I am?
Who is the pastor here?
I'm the pastor. What is the problem?
This wedding will not hold.
You lie! You lie! And who are you to say that my brother to talk?
It's okay.
Allow me to talk, Pastor.
This is the house of God. We don't
Yes,
have
I
to
know.
behave
Who are you?
It's okay.
Hey!
Young lady, why did you say the wedding would not hold?
Desmond and Franca, you either leave with me this moment or you will regret it.
It's okay. It's okay.
Do you want to die?
Madam, it's okay.
Hey, brother, hold on, please. Do you know what you are trying to do?
She is totally mad.
You want to dare me?
It's okay. It's okay. You said you want to see us, right? Huh?
Yes, I need to see you.
Okay.
All right. Desmond, it's okay. Madam, it's okay. It's okay.
Mom, it's okay.
Franca is not going
Young
anywhere.
lady.
No. Franca is not going anywhere.
Madam, it's okay.
No, wait. Who is she? Franca will not get anywhere. No. This is a problem.
All right, Desmond, madam, young lady, can we go to my office, 4 of us, and talk?
No.
Just the two of them.
Who is she? No. She's not going anywhere.
Make it quickly.
I'll handle it.
Don't keep me waiting.
I'll handle it.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, I'll handle it.
Madam, don't worry. It's okay. Don't worry. We are
Why
children of God. We are not here to make troubles.
Hey.
Today is their day. So let's calm down. It's okay.
This is not happening.
There will be no problems. Calm down.
Huh?
Everybody should calm down. Please. Let's take it easy.
You murdered a man in your house and paid me 2 million naira to cover it up.
What are you talking about?
You killed him.
Listen.
I've sent the gate man away. Now we're going to take the corpse to the car you're going to use to dispose it. Okay? Edith, you have to be very careful.
Edith, we are believing in you. If anything happens, then it's in your hands. Desmond will make the call to divert the police. Then make sure you do everything as planned. Please. I don't want any harassment from the press or police. I also do not want anything to affect our wedding plans. Please, we are relying on you to save us.
Please, this wedding means the whole world to us. Okay? Please, don't let what happened today to disrupt you in any way. Okay? Like I promised earlier, I am going to pay you 2 million if you handle this properly.
What?
No, you listen. Someone has a copy of this.
Jesus Christ.
If anything happens to me and the person does not hear from me within 24 hours, he will send this to the police and to the press.
Just why are you doing this? What is your problem?
You are evil.
Well, I am not here to argue or to banter words with you. If I were you, I would ask, what Edith wants.
What do you want?
Good. You will pay me some money. That I will tell you later. But to be sure that I will get that money, you will wed me today. And not Franca.
Have you lost your mind?
Shut up, I'm not done. When I get the money, I'll leave you to go on with your wedding.
This is not possible.
Well, Desmond and Franca, and you too, as I have demanded. Or you want me to go to the police?
Desmond, what is the problem?
Franca!
Oh my God.
Franca, what is it? Franca, why? Talk to me, what is it?
You look good, darling.
Can you tell me what is going on? Do you want me to call the commissioner of police to attend to this?
Baby.
Baby what? Where is your baby?
Desmond.
Mom, it's okay.
Desmond!
I still haven't forgiven myself that I allowed that abominable wedding to go ahead back there in the church. Desmond and Franca, what I will not accept is your continued silence on what is really going on. Talk to us. What did that devil took you out privately and say to you that made you do what you did in the church? Can you say it?
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but we cannot tell you what she told us now. We cannot.
This is serious.
You cannot tell your own mother. Okay, Franca, I know you very well. We have never kept secrets from each other. Please tell us. Oh?
Mommy, I know I've never kept secrets from you.
Yes.
But this one is different. It's different.
I beg you with the memories of all the good moments we have shared since you were born. With all my sacrifices that I've made for you. Please talk to me. Talk to us. Talk to me, your mother. Franca, please.
This is not happening.
Franca, please.
This is not happening.
Talk to us for crying out loud.
Hello, Bochua. I have done exactly what you wanted.
I watch everything from my spiritual screen. From the moment you enter the church of that clownish fake pastor that conducted the wedding.
And I'm sure you had a good laugh doing that.
I sure did. In fact, it was.
Listen, Obochua. I don't want to hear your story. Just tell me exactly how much you want me to demand from Desmond. Because I want this madness to end this hour. That wedding was a very big society wedding. And you and I know that it would not take too long before the scandalous story of what I did in that wedding goes viral on social media. Before Samuel's family and even the police. I'm still here.
Edith, there is...
Now listen, I don't want to hear your story. Just go straight to the point. How much do you want me to demand from Desmond?
Edith, there's something I want to tell you.
The exact figure, Obochua.
500 million naira, but...
Noted. I will get back to you when I am ready.
Edith, please listen to me.
I said I will get back to you when I am ready. And don't even expect me to give you an explanation as to what I mean. Now listen, don't even try to contact me in whatever manner before I call you. Else, I will back off from this deal and disappear for good.
Edith, now you listen to me. If you dare me by taking any action, I will...
Fuck off my line, you dirty thief.
Franca, talk to me. Talk to your own mother, Franca. Talk to me.
Mommy, I'm tired. Please stop crying and begging me. Because you only make my pains and frustration more unbearable. Do not push me to suicide.
Suicide?
Look at suicide.
Suicide? What?
Hey.
Hey!
Suicide.
Desmond, suicide! Franca! Hey, my goodness. I will...
Mom. See, we've talked enough on this. Edith told us something that was strong enough for us to allow what happened happen. That is it. We cannot tell you people anything now because she ordered us not to.
Wait, Chalu, calm down. Just breathe in very well and hear yourself. She ordered you not to.
And you agreed?
Yes.
Gosh!
We cannot do otherwise. No matter what any of you says or do here, please, let it lie, please.
Then what are you saying? Juliet! Hey!
Franca, I demand that you live with your mother now. I want to start my honeymoon with my dear husband this instant. And I do not want any outsider here while that happens. Baby. If I repeat that question, there will be consequences.
Mom, it's okay. They belong to Franca. Edith, she's leaving as you demanded.
Not with any car in this compound. In fact, for ignoring me when I first asked that question, you all have committed an offense that must be punished. And that includes the one your mother committed for trying to invoke Thunder Blast on me.
And nothing will stop Thunder Blast from roasting you alive. The kind the world has never seen before.
Well, I will let that slide. Franca, your punishment is that you will not leave this house again until I say otherwise. You will remain in this house and carry out the duties I will assign to you henceforth.
Now you listen to me. That will only be over my dead body. My own dead body. Yes.
Franca, are you saying the same thing with your mother? I need a yes or no answer.
And how dare you talk to her like that after all you have...
Please calm down.
Do you need another one for your head to be cleared of whatever charm this witch has used over you? Desmond!
How can I need another one? You just slapped me.
And I will slap you again.
Well, enough of your drama, people. I will crush your worlds, Desmond and Franca. If in the next 10 seconds, I don't see both of you and Franca's luggage inside that house. 1.
2. 3. Are you insane? 4.
What are you trying to do? Huh? Franca? What's that? Come back here. Just leave me. Hey, I am sorry, baby. Sorry. Hey!
Franca and Desmond, in the name of what you both hold dear, I demand that you tell me what is going on. Franca! Stop talking because your mother just left in tears after disowning you because of what you did to her back there. You've lost your own family. And you don't care? I will never, ever forgive you and Desmond for causing that poor woman such pains if you don't tell me what that idiot hold against you.
Mom, we cannot tell you anything now. We cannot because she ordered us not to. Oh.
There you go again! Or what? Who is she? Who is she to tell you or order you not to tell me something that is tearing my world apart and you agreed? Who is she?
Mama, please. Please, Mama.
Stop begging me, Franca. Talk to me. What is going on? Eh? Do you want me to go naked and pass the baton to you here? Enough of goodness. How dare you? Hey!
Mom!
She won't you more. Mommy, that is just you okay?
Down. Come over here now. Desmond, I said come here now. I am your lawfully wedded wife. And our honeymoon starts now. So go ahead and kiss me. Don't mind the spectators. They can go ahead and watch. They're adults here. So go ahead and kiss me. Come on, darling.
Hey, Franca! Franca!
Relax. I am your wife. You're welcome.
Franca dear, I know how what happened in Desmond's room makes you feel. I really do, dear. And to avoid the ordeal of fate, open the door, let's talk. Please.
I want to put a stop from whatever that is going on in this house, but I need information from you to do that. Please. Franca, dear, I can watch other people cry and suffer, but not you and Desmond. I love you. If my going away will make you feel any better, then I will leave. But I will never stay away. Because I love you. I love you and Desmond from every part of my being. And I will fight for two of you till I win or drop dead fighting. I must. Please. Please. Hey, that's not enough. I have had enough of those rubbish. God. I need to remove her. And now, the officers are here on my invitation. End of discussion.
But, Mom, you can't...
Hey, Franca, please. Franca, dear. I don't know what you and Desmond has become today and why. Like I said minutes ago, I will stay away. I will go away, but I can never stay away. So, end of discussion. Do your job.
You invited the police to arrest me, right?
Thank you, God, that I am not a killer. It would have been assassins, not the police. Bitch.
Very well then. Officer, can I have a minute privately with Desmond and Franca?
No. Not in my house. Officers, do your job. Do your job. Hey! Stop!
Desmond and Franca, if I do not get the chance now, do not blame me for whatever happens outside this compound.
Officers, are you still waiting?
Sorry, Madam Juliet. Her request is within her legal right, and the people she wants to privately talk to want to talk with her too. Therefore, we cannot refuse her request. You have a minute.
Please.
Do you want to? Franca!
If in the next 1.5 hours I am not free and back to this compound, I would tell the police of the murder and cover up in my own version of it too. Do not even think of telling them that I lied, because it will be your word against mine.
Don't do this.
Remember, act fast.
You cannot do this. Come on.
Desmond, will you stop? Stop!
Please, you
Desmond! Franca!
beg you. Please, Mom. Please.
Please, Mommy.
Please, I beg you. Please.
Please. Please, Mom.
Mom, please.
Mommy, please.
You know what to do if you want me to tell the police to let her go. Franca. Desmond.
What do you want us to do?
That Edith is blackmailing the two of you is no longer in doubt. I want to know why and how. What is she blackmailing you with? You won't tell? Even in her absence?
Mom, please. It's not that we deliberately don't want to tell. It's just that... Mom, we can't.
You can't? Desmond, you took Franca to the church earlier today to be joined in holy matrimony. But you came back to this house as the husband of that devious snake instead. And you, Franca, you came back to the same house where you have lived as the most adored angel, a weeping ghost. The one who publicly humiliated you. Who murdered your souls, had the guts to force you to stay back in that same house as nothing more than a maid. Franca, she forced you to stay and watch her discreting the object of your love, and you say you can't tell? What has come over the two of you?
Mommy, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Hey!
I'm sorry.
Apology declined. Tell me what I want to hear. And if you're not ready, leave my presence.
Mom?
What is she blackmailing you with? Talk. Wait! Don't.
Desmond, so you're still here? What are your plans? To call Edith's bluff?
I can't call her bluff with such a dangerous...
Time to talk is over. Do not talk to me till you do something.
I am planning on what to do on that.
You must be joking. Less than half an hour to Edith's deadline and you're still thinking?
You try to understand me. I am not idling here. Do you have any idea on what to do? Tell me, please. Just help me.
You want me to help you?
Yes.
That's when I swear to you. If you fail to release Edith and she carries out her threats, I will kill you and commit suicide.
You can't. You can't. Come on.
Do something. Please, Desmond, you have to do something if you truly love me.
Hey, I'm going out now.
You're going out? To do what?
To do what I must do.
Through this endless space, I swear I'll be strong. Through this endless lives, I swear I will be true. Through the eyes of the
I asked you to come with 1 million naira cash to the Commissioner of Police, who ordered the arrest on your mother's orders. So that I can use my close relationship with him, give him the money so that I can secure the release of your wife as you always wanted. So where is the money?
You will get it. But first, there's a video clip I want you to watch with me.
What? How did you get this video clip?
She's the wife of the same commissioner, the one that did it most, isn't she? Why you were his ADC in your CV and an affair with his wife? Good. Now, if Edith...
Nem, you needed to see. Of course. But she will remain there until she signs those divorce papers. Yes. Trust me. Namadu bucha no river Niger. Obuzi mmili no no bubo geili mmadu. It's not being done. Oh my dear. Let me call you back later. Yes. Something just came up. I need to attend to it quickly. It's not possible. Commissioner, who ordered Edith Johnson's release without Desmond? Desmond, my son? Desmond and DPO came to your office and said that. Commissioner, no. Please. Stop this joke. Yes. It must be a joke. I mean, there are things that Desmond cannot even think of. Not under any spell or duress. No! And what you are saying now is one of them. That you have ordered what? If I attempt to arrest Edith again, that I will be arrested? How could you order such a... Desmond, my son, ordered that. He demanded for it. Excuse me, Commissioner, please don't cut. How dare you, Desmond? Desmond, whatever you guys have going on under this roof ends this minute. She is going, and she is going right now.
Says go, Mom. Edith is my lovely wedded wife. In case you still think otherwise, this house is mine, according to Dad's will. I say who stays or leaves, not you.
So the Commissioner of Police was not lying after all. Desmond. So you actually utter such filth from your mouth already.
The young man was just asserting the authority that your husband's will and the Supreme Court's judgment gave him. And you are to blame for it. How dare you!
You stinky animal! Open that your mouth again and you will leave as a car.
Franca, stay out of this. Mom, do you know what? You're leaving this house this very minute.
What? What did I just hear you call my husband? I'm sorry. Peter, the next time I hear that from you, you will regret knowing me. And you, it's time for you to go to your room, pack your things, and leave. Or do you need help doing that?
Good punishment!
Franca, if in the next 10 minutes this woman is anywhere close to this compound, I will open my mouth.
Stop it. No, please.
This one!
Mom, please, you have to go now.
This one, stop! You! I will come back to this house. This one! Go on, push it, please!
But you chose to play along.
No. Not tonight. Not ever again. That's my space you are occupying. The guest room is where you belong from now.
I will never let that happen. Did it?
Oh, really? Well, I have my phone. Do you want me to dial the police number and start singing all I know about how you...
It's fine. I'll leave.
No, you can't.
She's right. She's your wife. You married her a few hours ago and not me. I'm in the wrong place.
Baby.
How can... Why is she wicked? How can you humiliate her to that extent?
Come on, baby.
She's your friend, for God's sake.
Baby. How about a kiss for a start?
If I get your lips near my mouth, I will bite off your tongue and break your teeth. I thought we had a deal. I thought we had an agreement back in the church. And you said...
That's all I wanted is the money. The wedding was to make sure that I get it big. Yes, I remember our deal. Part of the deal was for me to leave before nightfall today. Right? I remember.
Name your price. And I'll pay you off. I can even give you the whole world. But please, leave her alone.
Baby.
I love her so much. I don't want to lose her. Please stop this.
Well, I'll name my price when I am ready. For now, good night. Come on. It's just a kiss. Oh. Maybe your body and brain were hot when I told you who and what you are in this house yesterday. So when I saw you still in bed at past 6 a.m., I got some chilled water from the fridge to chill your brain and your body before I repeat myself. Now listen carefully. You are my maid, and maids wake up early to carry out their chores, not sleep. Let that message sink into your body and your brain with this chilled water, and let it sink quickly, because if it doesn't, I will empty another bowl for every 10 minutes you spend here without carrying out my instruction. How about that? Oh, come on, Franca. Where are you going?
Mine is in the kitchen.
Oh? Yours is here. You were the third person I was referring to when I asked you to make breakfast for 3. My word is law. How many times do I have to repeat that before you and Desmond get it into your heads? Now sit down while we enjoy our breakfast in grand style. Now sit down. I said sit down. Good. And don't give me the impression that you are not enjoying it. Darling, breakfast is ready. I want to be fed by you. Go on. I'm waiting.
I will never
If
do
the
it.
first morsel of bread is not in my mouth in the next 10 seconds, I will call the police. And by the way, I'll feed you too. 4 seconds gone already. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or do I have to call the police? No. Drop that from yours. I want from yours, darling. Go on. Am I seeing someone not smiling? Smile. I said smile! Good. Now, don't you like what you see? Clap. I said clap. And smile while you do that. Smile. Good girl. Bring it up. Good. I asked you to stop smiling. Keep clapping and smiling. Good. Now get out of that bed, else the next blow will be on your head. Again, it is past 6 a.m. and you are still sleeping. Next time, I will wake you with steaming hot water. Shh! Edith has no use for your stupid apology. The items I came in here with have said it all about how you are going to start your morning chores. Desmond's bedroom first, before any other part of this house. Now get going. Move! Oh, please have this.
The person you're putting on this silly show for is no longer here. What else do you want? What do you want?
You believe I'm putting up a show for Franca in all of this?
I've not been able to achieve an erection for you even once. And you're busy wasting your time. What are you doing? What are you going to call this? It cannot stand. Oh my water! For you, it's not for you. It is not your own.
It's a matter of time. You will not only achieve an erection, you will mount me with an egoed regularity. It's just a matter of time, baby.
You're sick in the head.
You're my everything. Whoa, whoa, my everything. You're my everything.
Noah! Noah! Open it.
You're my everything.
If you call me only again, don't have we strike you dead.
It's okay, I'm sorry. But where are you going to?
Ask me questions. What Don't even talk to me. In fact, I hate you.
You can't. Come on, you can't.
What's going on here?
Well, if you're too blind that you can't see, I'm leaving the house. I've had enough. I am done. So if there's anything you're going to do, go ahead with it. But count me out.
Never letting anything touch your heart.
Well, you will become the next prison yard tenant. If you dare cross that gate.
There's no prison yard worse than what you forced me to endure in the past 4 days. Do your worst, idiots. It is only death that can stop me from leaving this compound.
You are daring me, Franca.
You stink badly, Gutter. Open the gate. Desmond, you... Desmond! Will you stop staring at me like that and tell me where you're going to?
Madam, now my guy you talk about since so.
Oh, but your papa manhood.
My papa manhood. You deal with my papa for village now. Abi you won't collect my papa from my mama too. Yeah? Well, if anything happen, come be say una letter hurry, but anyhow. I mean go rate with that, you know, see the be by that way now you know.
May God punish you then. Idiots.
Desmond!
Come on, this auntie for go where?
Desmond! Desmond!
For the two I'm like
This is a pre-arranged drama you and Franca have going on, isn't it?
Drama queen, Franca and I have no time for your endless drama. She did what I should have done from the church, and that is to call your bluff. That's exactly what I'm doing now. Do I need to tell you that if you ever pass the night in this house, I am going to set it ablaze with you?
Pretending to be calling my bluff and issuing empty threats are the easy parts, Desmond. The consequences...
Franca was right out there. There is no worse prison than living with you under this roof with the kind of condition you're imposing on us. Stop talking. Go ahead and call the police. Stop threatening. Okay? I am living with my wife.
Franca is not your wife. I am your lawfully wedded wife.
No one gets a husband by blackmail. Anyone that does is insecure, bitch. And that is what you are.
Oh. You think I am emotionally insecure and afraid? Afraid of what?
I may not know what you are so afraid of. That is driving you into a pit of shame that you call life in this house. But I can see vividly that you're dying with fear. And it's written all over you. Loser.
Wait. The only reason I am not dialing the police number is your late father and his legacy which you embody. And your mother who would definitely die miserably if you are convicted and hanged. Just them, not you and Franca. So don't irritate me further by walking out of that door.
It seems you're hot air and nothing more. Just talking. Is that what you really are, loser?
You know what? I feel like sending you to your doom by making that call. But I will not, for reasons already stated. Now listen, I will leave today if you can meet my price.
God knows I will pay anything to have a devil like you out of my life. Just name your price.
$500 million. And it's not negotiable. Deal?
I love you. Sorry. Frank, I'm really sorry for what happened.
Sorry about what, Franca? Franca, will you just stop? Huh?
Juno!
Hey, Juliet.
Franca! What is going on?
I don't know.
Why is she crying
like this? I don't know. She refused to speak. I don't know.
Stop. Stop crying, okay? Wipe your tears. Stop. I'm here now. It's okay.
I'm not crying for what he did to me in Desmond's house. I'm crying for myself. I'm crying for the baby in my womb.
You're pregnant?
Franca, you are pregnant.
Yes.
Juliet, she's pregnant.
God. Desmond is not even aware. I wanted to tell him on our wedding night, but
It's okay. It's okay, sweet. Stop. I'm here now. Stop. Stop crying. I know how you feel. I understand. We all do. Now tell me, for the sake of that baby in your womb, for the sake of that innocent baby in your womb, what is Edith?
Mother, I can't. I just can't. If there's someone that should tell, beside myself, Desmond and Edith, then it has to be Desmond's decision. And he has to say it himself. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, here you are. So what name am I using for the check?
Edith Johnson, of course.
Edith Johnson, okay. Oh, excuse me. Go back. Hello, Mom. There's good news. Yeah, I'm about to conclude the deal that will end the crisis. What? Mom? Mom, please don't do it. Please don't. Mom, no, please. I'm begging you, don't do it. I'm on my way. I'm coming right now, please. Mom, hello? God. Please, I have to go see my mom.
Not until you sign the check, Desmond.
My mother is about to commit suicide. You're telling me to wait to sign your check. But go to hell.
But you did not just say that to me, did you?
Did you just utter a word? If I hear a word from you again, I am going to strangle you with my bare hands. What's wrong with you? Are you mad? Try it!
Shh.
You scared me.
You're going to be a father.
You said what?
Franca is carrying your baby.
Oh, come on, come on. I know you're pulling my legs. Honey, she said...
She's right. But I'm going to abort it.
You what? Honey, see, come on. You cannot. Honey, listen. There's good news here. Edith has finally named her price.
Desmond, that bitch is not getting any kobo from you. If you refuse to talk, and anything happens to my unborn grandchild, I swear I will kill you and kill myself.
Honey, please, tell
Desmond. You don't want to talk. These are the abortion pills. We have them already. Talk now or we'll force her to take these abortion pills.
Okay. Since you want me to tell them, I will. Not telling them in the first place was...
Desmond, will you stop blabbing and start talking? What is Edith blackmailing you with is the question.
Okay. 2 days after Edith came to our house, the day you returned from America, I and Franca came back to the house and met a total stranger strangling Edith. She was unconscious on the floor. The stranger attacked us too, and suddenly he knocked me off and started strangling Franca. And suddenly Edith woke up from unconsciousness and hit him with an object, and he died instantly.
Edith killed a man in our house?
Yes, Mom. But she talked I and Franca into making the mistake of covering up and paying her off to go and dispose the corpse. And we thought that was the end of the story until the day she showed up on our wedding day in the church. Mom, see no other way out of the dangerous situation. Franca and I decided to do as she wanted. If money was the only thing she wanted and was ready to go that same day, why not? We can always come up with a narrative to manage the scandal and let them handle the rest.
And let time handle the rest? Franca and Desmond. And let time handle mother and the cover up with such a mindless blackmailer in the picture? You know what? Both of you were indeed very naive and stupid to have agreed with the bizarre cover-up idea she brought up with. But we're downright mad for allowing her to blackmail you on your wedding day. How could you?
Mom, we thought that...
Will you shut up your mouth before I slap a shot for you, Desmond? Where were your brains? Where were your brains that day, two of you, and all this while? All these things has been happening and you never ever care to confide in any of us secretly. Tell me, if she threatened you physically, is she a ghost? Is she a ghost to have known who you talked to? And what happened in using electronic text messaging? Were you both enjoying the nightmare? Were you? Gosh!
Juliet, please calm down. Calm down. I'm shocked and mad at them too. But it's better late than never.
Yes, Mama. We have to kick the fox out of the house first. I mean, that lady should pay dearly for...
God knows that she will pay dearly for this. Even if it's the last thing I will achieve in my life. She will wish that she was never born for this. Tell me, which of the cars does she use in disposing the cabs that night?
The cars?
Don't you dare answer any of my questions with question. Which of the cars? Speak, for crying out loud!
It's the one you left with. The one you've been using since the day you left the house.
Beautiful.
Hello, Detective Smith. Mrs. Juliet Obono on the line. It seems that the cameras and the listening devices I paid you to install in all the cars in my compound a few months ago recorded something that will interest the law recently. Do come to number 14 Amuchi Avenue. Let's bring them out from the particular car involved so that we can take a look and a listen. All right. I'll be waiting.
Juliet, you had spy equipment installed in all the cars in the compound? Why?
He that is surrounded by many enemies guides his life with everything he got. Chief Kanu may be in prison, yes, but his family and friends are still out there. I did this should in case they decide to harm any of us. I wanted to know who and how if I cannot stop them. I hired a private detective to do that. So, let the begin.
I have finished. I have what the cameras on the dashboard and in the trunk of the car recorded that night. You can take a look at it.
Perfect.
No.
So, does any of you know this man?
I don't know him.
So, Edith knew the guy she killed in my house?
Oh God. No. This is not happening. This has got to be a dream. Can someone please wake me up?
Maybe
Detective Smith, this is no time for speculations. We need to alert the police right now.
All right then.
Samuel.
What is it? What is it? What happened?
Samuel, your late husband, has taken my powers away.
Someone was here?
He was here just now. But he has gone. But he has gone. It was he who possessed you while we are talking on the phone after your marriage to Desmond. And made you to change your mind about our plans. Since that moment, everything you have done was influenced by him. He completely blinded me from seeing what he was doing with you until he left you today.
No wonder. Oh, what you are? What do we do? What are we going to do?
Until we get back to my shrine, where I can regain my spiritual powers after some sacrifice. I don't know. I am helpless now.
No. That's not possible. It's not possible. You can't be helpless. Not now.
For your information, young lady, immediately Samuel's ghost left you. He immediately removed the charm I had put on Desmond and Franca. He equally blinded me from seeing them or any member of the family. That means whatever they are up to right now, I don't know. And that makes our continued stay out of my shrine very dangerous. Young lady, follow me now, or you're on your own.
Officer must arrest her. I trust your judgment.
It's okay, I've got this under control.
Just don't
worry. Did you see her? Okay, she's not here. You mean she's not in the house? Nobody. Officer,
did you hear that?
Stop there! Who are you and what are you doing here?
I ask you also, who are you and what are you doing here?
I am Detective Maxwell. And who are you?
I am Detective Smith.
I am here to arrest one Miss Edith Johnson. What are you doing here?
The same Edith Johnson I came to arrest. Bring it.
Give it.
Permission to approach?
Okay.
Does any of you know this week?
What? But you what? Dibia?
Please, you don't have to do this, please. I beg you, please. I beg you, please.
Like I told you earlier, my dear, sparing you is totally out of the question. To restore my spiritual powers, I must sacrifice a human being to the spirit I serve. And you are the only human being available to me now.
No.
So you must die.
No, but you are...
Hold it there! Don't move. Don't move.
Thank you, officer. Thank you.
Back up, or I will shoot your leg. Go back. Come on, go back. Come on, go back.
Officer, he tried to kill me. He tried to kill me. Brother Paul. Brother Paul. Brother.
You're under arrest.
Yes.
Both of you. Now move it.
Let's go! Move!